this Play-Doh free of charge. Hey guys, it's your best friend Sammy, and I have something really cool to show you. It's Play-Doh Buzz N Cut. It's a barber shop for Play-Doh. It has Play-Doh activation. It comes with 5 Play-Dohs. There's pink, purple, orange, green, and blue. Let's check out the back of the box. This set includes 2 figures. You know who should help me? My sister. Let's bring her in. Hi everybody. My name is Lucy. I'm Sammy's sister. I like Play-Doh. We got all 5 Play-Dohs. This is the barber chair. We got a brush. We got scissors to cut it with. We got 2 figures. We got a buzzer. And we got a stand for the barber chair. Hey look, there's molds on here for the braids and stuff.
Oh yeah. You can do different hairstyles
Look,
there.
who's here?
Oh, you got a shaver. That's a shaver. There you go. Lucy's shaving. Gotta shave that
Cut
beard.
my hair and you cut my hair. Remember that video when I cut my hair?
Yeah. There's a video where Sammy cut his own hair when he was like 4.
I gave myself a haircut
Yeah? How did you do that?
by scissors.
That's your hair. Where did it come from?
Here.
Right on the top?
Yeah.
So that's a bunch of hair you cut off your head. Show me what you were doing. How did you cut it?
I like this, like.
Let's link to it up here, I think. You'll see the video of Sammy cut when he cut his own hair. Okay, dudes. Let's get these open. Let's have a look at this chair firstly. Oh, you guys missed something. On the back of the chair, you have a mold for a mustache. You have a mold for a bow you could put in someone's hair. Now let's see what you guys were talking about over here. I see there's a butterfly here. There's a bow here. There's a huge braid here. So, you know what? If you have white hair, you could do Frozen Elsa. And then here's like a nice ponytail. And here's another bow, if you can believe it. Sammy loaded his guy in there with what color hair, Sam?
Yeah.
Whoa! It's a wolf man. Holy smokes! Look at that, Lucy! It's got long hair like you. Whoa! Let's see, Sam. Let's give him a trim, dude. Where's his scissors? Where's his face? Sammy's giving him a trim.
Cut him back here.
Sammy's doing a hairstyle. Whoa, look at your crazy hair, dude. You use so much colors. She's a punk rocker. Wow. Wow, look at her hair, Lucy. That looks cool. Whoa, you did a good job. Hey.
Hey guys, look, I finished my guy. I braid her hair.
Do you want to give her a braid?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You know what to do? Oh, you give her a haircut. Whoa! 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 She's bald! Lucy! She bald! She wants her money back, dude. She went to the hair cutters and you cut off all her hair. She's gonna be so upset. Here's the braid. So Lucy, I'm gonna help you. Put it right here. That's how her braid will look. Like yours. She has braids like you. She needs some hair. What's Sammy gonna do?
Time to get his wolfman ready. Wolf.
Look at that hair grow. Whoa. Alright, now you gotta unwind it. That guy needs a haircut badly. I wonder if he's gonna get the clippers.
Hey guys, look what I got.
Oh, that's a ponytail. Turned out really good. Okay, Sammy went random and gave him a ponytail in his mouth. Jeez, look at that disaster. That guy wants his money back. He went to a barber to look good. Now he's leaving like a crazy dude. Look at Sam's guy. He's bald at the back. He's bald. He's only got hair on the sides.
Finished.
Hey, all right. Look at Sammy's. Okay, let's have a look at Sammy's guy. What do you think? Is this guy happy with his haircut? Is he satisfied? How much do you think he'll pay you?
$50.
Okay, Sammy says this is a $50 haircut. Lucy's girl came out of the barber shop completely bald, except for this huge braid on the side of her head and a huge braid at the back of her head. How much do you think this girl's gonna pay Lucy?
$14. 14.
Okay, so Lucy just made $14.
Hey, look what I just found. Look in here.
Oh, Sammy found more molds. There's molds everywhere. These are 2 flowers in here. That's cool. Now our guy's coming into the barber shop. He needs Sammy Daddy to give him a haircut. Guys, I'm gonna try to make lots of money from this guy. So check this out. Whoa! Look at that.
No, that's like the hair when the hair goes down.
Okay, now let's give him like some clippers. Okay, buddy. It's gonna be a quick haircut. I think it's gonna cost $10. There, I cleaned them up real good.
This girl.
That was a $10 haircut. Wow, look at that flower. It looks real.
Can you put it on your head?
Okay. Uh-oh, her braid fell off.
Can you put back her braid?
Yep.
She likes when they have 2 braid down, 3 braid down.
There we go.
Bye.
She looks beautiful.
Bye.
Sammy's making a mold at the back of this thing. Okay, we're gonna give this dude a haircut. Let's give him a shave. Okay, let's give him some longer hair. And I'm gonna try to style his hair. I'm gonna shave him here. He doesn't need a beard. And I wanna shave a bit of the side. Now, maybe give him a bit more hair. All right.
Look at my girl.
Now, I wanna brush his hair over here.
She's gonna have a lot of rainbow hair.
Let's give this guy a cool hairdo.
I'm gonna be this girl cool braid. Cool. I'm rocking in my cool shoes.
Gotta trim over here a bit.
In my cool shoes.
So Sammy made a cool mustache. Let's give him a cool mustache. Okay, so here's our dude. He's looking like a real hipster. Here he comes. Oh, his mustache fell off. How much money did he pay me? You guys let us know. How much money does this haircut cost? It's growing.
Wait, I wanted it here.
She wants it. Oh, you didn't put enough Play-Doh? Maybe you didn't put enough in there. In there.
High-res studio. I wanted you to put enough.
Yeah, you just didn't do enough.
That was our review for the Play-Doh Buzz N Cut. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have lots more toys videos to review, so stay tuned. We're always dropping toys videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. It's time for me to buzz off.